Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker chicken and wine sauce. Alright, I'm starting out in my pressure cooker and I was set on saute high. I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to get this melted down. Now I have 6 ounces of mushrooms I'm going to get in here. And Eric's standing right behind me, and we all know Eric doesn't like mushrooms, so when I serve his up I'm going to have to serve him some without mushrooms in it. I'm to the point now where he'll eat food with mushrooms in it, but he won't eat the mushrooms, so that's a start. So I'm going to go ahead and saute these for a few minutes so our mushrooms start to soften up. Alright, while my mushrooms saute, I have 3 large chicken breasts here. I'm going to season them with some salt, pepper, paprika, Italian seasoning, and some flour. After I season both sides, I'm going to pull the mushrooms out and we're going to brown them up. I'll bring you back. Right now that my mushrooms are all sauteed and set aside, I'm going to add in about 2 more tablespoons of butter into the pressure cooker, and I still have it set on saute high. Dexter's all charged up, aren't you, Dexter? Yeah, that's right, we're having pork chops. We can't tell them what we're really having. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil in there, fortify that butter so it doesn't scorch on us. And I have my 3 chicken breasts over here that I seasoned with salt and pepper, paprika, Italian seasoning, and I sprinkled some flour on them. I'm going to shake off the excess flour, and I season them on both sides. I'm going to shake off the excess flour, and I'm just going to get a little more flour on there. Let me move my butter over, because my stove isn't totally level, and the butter wants to go towards the back, so we'll move it towards the front so it can melt towards the back. And I'm going to go ahead and brown these up 1 chicken breast at a time because they're that big. Alright, now that my chicken's browned up and it's looking really good, I'm going to add in some turkey broth. Now normally you use chicken broth, but I have turkey broth on hand I need to use. I'm going to add in about a half a cup. And I'm just eyeballing that. And I'm going to add in a half a cup of white wine. I'm going to go ahead and get my chicken back down in here. And Dexter's all wound up today, guys. I think he knows we're cooking. These are some big boys. See how beautiful and browned up that is, guys. Alright. I'm going to get them mushrooms back in there. Why'd you say Eric's name when I was throwing the mushrooms in here, Dexter? Are you trying to tell him on me? He already knows. And I have some green onion here I diced up. It's about a half a cup. I'm going to get that down in there. Now I'm going to put my lid on here. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, I'll allow it to do a natural release of the pressure for 10 minutes, and then I'll release the rest of the pressure manually. Alright, my chicken's done. I left to do that natural release. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some fried squash and zucchini to go with this. Let me get in here and try this chicken. Dexter wore himself all out. He's in there sleeping. It's moist, tender, really well seasoned. You get that wine, you get the seasonings on there. Let me try some of this mushroom, guys. Delicious. Mushroom acted like the sponge. It soaked up all that wine sauce. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker chicken and wine sauce. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.